have sour eggs, sour gummy worms, and then sour lifesaver gummies. And then gummy sour patch, sour watermelon shark.
Okay, gonna try it out first. Which one you guys want to do first?
I want to do this. I'm doing this.
Should we do one at a time?
Let's do this one first.
Okay, do the sharks first.
And then this one last.
Okay. Okay, everybody get a shark?
Oh, sorry. I know sour.
How sour is that one? Level 1 through 5. 5 is the most sour. Really sweet. Okay, next.
Lifesaver sour gummy. Let's do this. No, sour eggs. Sour eggs. I like that one.
Yummy.
Want one?
Okay.
My favorite. I would say one.
Okay.
Sour worms gummy. Sour worm gummies.
Sorry, gummy worm.
Hard. Hard, Mommy. Mommy, it's hard.
It's hard?
I would say one.
Okay.
Sour patch. Yeah. After we go in the shop, we can right, Mommy? Ooh, that's a 20. No, one spot. I can do this. I would give this a 4. Sour. Now warhead. This is actually, I don't have that. We're gonna fit it up. No, I'm gonna go. Mommy, this go. No, you can't do that. This goes sweet.
Yeah.
Mommy, this is not to be hard. Nope, I can say it's wait, lift it up. Come on. Ow, it always starts.
I think you guys need help. Do you need help again?
I got it. I made it. No. Make a 5. 5. Oh, I'm doing this.
What's this sour for you? What do you think?
Make me
You have your mouth, Abby? Not sour for you. Sour, Judy? Oh, yo.
The bubbles not sour. Well, you can keep it in your mouth.
You're the light, you're the
Keep it in your mouth, Kody.
you're the
That's
Leave it in there. Leave it in. Hold it.
You're the cure.
Alright, see your sour face.
Mine's is sweet.
You're the only
Not sour.
thing
You
I
tricked me.
Never knew
Alright, Kody, ready to go.
mean so much.
Oh, give me the sweet part.
So much.
Alright, come on, leave it in.
Okay,
You're the
sweet.
fear. I don't
I think the other one is going to be
Cause
sour.
I've never been so high.
So, after that, I take nothing.
Through the dark, let me take you past
Leave it in. Drop it.
outside.
Give it a try. Drop it.
You can see the world.
Come on, you want the girls chicken you up?
Alive.
Alright, see the sour face. Swish it around. Swish it around. It's okay.
So
Let's see the sour face. Let's see it. Leave it in.
Oh, I don't want to be sour candy.
Alright.
Mama,
All the candies.
I'm gonna get some more now.
Okay, I think it's time to wrap it up.